मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों, विश्व बदल चुका है। आज अगर हमें नौजवानों को ज्यादा से ज्यादा रोजगार देना है तो हमें मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेक्टर को बढ़ावा देना पड़ेगा। इलेक्ट्रिकल से लेकर के इलेक्ट्रॉनिक तक कम मेक इन इंडिया।
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Did you remember of that when our visionary Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, made a big announcement 8 years back? No? Well, he announced about a revolutionary campaign called Come Make in India. Through this campaign, he invited all global manufacturers to come India and manufacture whatever you wanted to and export it to the global. However, this campaign opened various opportunities for everyone and a chance to helping Indian to grow multifold. In addition, in the announcement, our PMO presented its glorious vision of making all the white goods and electronic appliances right here in our country. The idea was proposed to drive the all-Indian companies' growth and to witness a hub for electronics manufacturing. So, in today's video, we are going to discussing about one of that strong player who is already witnessing and also expected to benefit from this national tailwind. And that is Amber Enterprises. But before that, let me introduce, we are PA Wealth, a SEBI registered investment company. We offer stocks, mutual fund, PMS, AIF, insurance and startup investments. So let's begin with today's topic, that is Amber Enterprises. Amber Enterprises was basically incorporated on April 2, 1990 as Amber Enterprises India Private Limited at Jalandhar, Punjab as a private limited company under the Companies Act 1956. Later, the company was converted into a public company to Amber Enterprises India Limited. Amber Enterprises India is a market leader in the room air conditioner RAC, original equipment manufacturer or original design manufacturer industry in India with a market share of 55.4% in terms of volume in fiscal 2017. It is a one-stop solutions provider for the major brands in that the company is focused on consistently upgrading the technology used in its products as well as the processes used in manufacturing them through its research and development (R&D) efforts. Now, let's understand the business area of the Amber Enterprises. Basically, the company design and manufacture complete residential ACs including window air conditioners and indoor units and outdoor units of split air conditioners. It also designs and manufacture inverter residential ACs on ranging from 1 ton to 2 ton. Besides, the company manufactures critical and reliability functional components of residential ACs such as heat exchangers, motors, inverter and non-inverter printed circuit boards and multi-flow condensers. It manufactures other residential ACs components such as sheet metal components, copper tubing and injection molding components. In addition, the company manufactures components for other consumer durables and automobiles such as case liners for refrigerator, plastic extrusion sheets and printed circuit boards for consumer durables and automobile industry, sheet metal components for microwave, washing machine tub assemblies and for automobiles and metal sealing industries. So here is the exact product segments under which they do the business. Like in first is of residential air conditioners which has inclusion of products. Second is of components RACs and non-RACs segment wherein it includes 6 kinds of products. However, about the third, which is of mobility, has products specifically for automobile, defense, railways among others. Subsequently, the fourth segment has dedicated products for electronics and last one which is of motors where it products different standard of motors. Now let's focus on the revenue segmentation of the company. So if you look at the charts, highest revenue has been contributed from residential's air conditioner segment. However, components segments contributing nearly 30%. Other segments like electronics and mobility applications generating 16% and 6.1% respectively. And last which is of motors segments contributing just 4% to the revenue. Now we will know the management of the company. As are well aware of the fact that management plays a crucial role in company growth. They helps the business to transform to next level. Their expertise and vision helps the operation which result maximum wealth for shareholders. First is Mr. Jasbir Singh. Mr. Jasbir Singh is the chairman of the company. He holds bachelor's degree in production engineering, industrial production from Karnataka University and master's degree in business administration from the University of Hull, United Kingdom. He has more than 19 years of experience in the RAC's manufacturing sector. Second is Mr. Daljit Singh. Mr. Daljit Singh is currently the heading managing directorship position in the company. He holds bachelor's degree in electronic engineering from Nagpur University and master's degree in information technology from the Rochester Institute of Technology. He has 17 years experience in finance services and 10 years of experience in the RAC's manufacturing sector. And let's have an eye on shareholding pattern of the company. So it's already witnessing, majority or controlling power is in the promoter's hands with 40.3% shareholding. Mutual funds has collectively 9% of stakes of the company. FPI that are also known as foreign portfolio investors are holding almost 24% stakes. Whereas other institutions are having 4.4% of stakes. And lastly, the public shareholding is consisting about 22.2%. Now we will know the financial health of the company. Over the past 10 years, company is consistently making higher revenues. In fact, for the 10 years its revenue has been grown at 21.68% CAGR, simply means company has been able to increase its revenue more than 6 times. Similarly, profit after tax also increased by more than 6 times in just 10 years, generating CAGR of 22.25% for 10 years. Whereas, on free cash flow perspective, company has reported negative cash flow of amounting 457 crores, signifying heavy investment in fixed assets. In addition, on the margins front, company has quite stable margins but likely to expand as management has expressed in a recent interview. Now let's dive into the management's outlook for further years. So the first one is that, industry growth. Indian appliances and consumer electronics industry is expected to double to reach 1.48 lakh rupees CR by 2025. The market size of AC is also expected to grow to 165 lakh units by 2025. Second is of untapped market. Company has stated that there is huge untapped market with substantially low penetration of consumer appliances compared to other countries. Third one is of rapid urbanization. Basically, the growth in the AC segment is expected on the back of rising urbanization, increasing disposable income of the middle class population, easy consumer credit, wide usability of online sales and also decreasing replacement cycle. Moving ahead, on market share. Value market share in RACs and non-RACs components improved from 26.6% in FY22 to 29.4% in FY23. Meanwhile, company has approximately 27% market share in motors. In addition, company is also the largest player in sheet metals with a market share in the range of 35 to 40%. And also has the market share of approximately 25% in cross-flow fans. For latest con calls, highlights and updated DuPont analysis, you can check out the Amber Enterprises blog. Link is mentioned in the description box. Now let's understand the last parameters, that is of SWOT analysis. So first is about strengths. Company has established market position and diversified clientele base, strong focus on cost competitiveness aided by high level of backward integration. On weakness area. Company is categorized under highly capital-intensive nature of operations, exposed to inherent seasonality in RAC business. Now let's come to opportunities. Company has expanding domestic customer base, sustained increase in the market share of 28% in room AC space while increasing share of components to total revenue. In fact, the company may witness more tailwinds from other branded companies like Xiaomi, Apple, Noise, who has expressed to produce products in India currently. And finally, here is the threat of the company. Strictly regulated industry, business is dependent on key customers and even a significant reduction in purchases by a key customer could hit its business. That's it for today. For more stock research, mutual funds and investing ideas, visit our blog portal. Link is mentioned in the description box. Like and comment if you find our efforts useful.